All right, what's up, y'all? It's me, your boy, the burly bartender. Y'all know me by now, been at this a little while. So today we're gonna be doing a different kind of video. Instead of your typical making your drinks that I've been doing, we have a couple videos where I'm gonna be unboxing some high-end liquors, stuff you don't just find in any typical bar. It's expensive. So we're gonna do an overview of that, opening the box. So be sure to stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe, all that YouTube stuff, and check it out. All right, cool. I'll see y'all. All right, we got Glenlivet 12-year aged Scotch whiskey. Sorry, nah. There's another one like the Glenlivet. Old man shit. Some old white dude from Scotland. The Scottish. 12 years, double oak. 40% alcohol. It all ranges about the same unless you're drinking like Everclear or 151. That shit is like gasoline, light it on fire. Hear me? All right, we're gonna open it. Sorry, the DJ and the rhythms made my phone fall off because I got a little cheap ass tripod and the table was wiggling. Blooper. All right. Glenlivet. It's real smoky. Tastes like you're drinking a shoe. We're gonna put it back in the box. Silly me, how could I forget? Glenlivet. Range is about $18, $20 a shot. $40 to $60 a bottle, depending on where you go. Here in the DC area, nothing's cheap. You go to a bar around here, anywhere up and down Georgia Avenue, from Silver Spring down to DuPont, $20 a shot minimum for anything that's not rail. So if you drink Don Julio, Hennessy, anything, you better drink that plastic bottle stuff that tastes like the bottom of your boot.